Hey everyone, Brian with Nichols Marine down here in Norman. Today we're looking at a brand new 2024 Bennington 27 QX Twin. Nice fiberglass, rounded panels, full Tritoon, blackout package, chrome accents, interior and exterior RGB lighting, Twin Mercury Verado 300s electric steer with Mercury skyhook, so it does have a joystick. Convertible swingback aft lounge. You can be forward facing, rear facing, or utilize a rumbler seat. Cladded tower, push your button, it'll go up and down. Fiberglass back seats, diamond stitching, Simtex interior. At the helm, Fosgate upgraded audio. Your Simrad NSS unit with ship controls and GPS. Our dual DTS throttle. And the skyhook joystick. 27 feet, twin 300s. She's pretty. This is a 2024 model. It desperately needs a good home. Come down and see us, 1700 Brandon Boulevard, or visit us at nicholsmarine.com.